Hello, in front of me I've got AUDI SQ5. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation route. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and next go to navigation from my menu, and here you can select where would you like to go or home address. If you push the knob left, you can enter destination, switch to map, enter address, go to favorites, directory, and more. Let's select enter destination and enter it. Make sure that you are connected to internet to use this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.